Hello you guys. So in these brief clip videos, I'm going to be showing you how I double my tracks, and that is good for when you're making wigs on the sewing machine. It makes it a lot easier and a lot faster. What I'm doing now is just holding at the end towards me. I'm just holding the tracks, both of the tracks, closer together to make it easier for the sewing machine to grab both of the wefts at the same time to ensure that both of them are going to be held together by the thread. I also hold the back end as well, just to kind of guide the tracks through the sewing machine to make sure that it's being the thread is being distributed through both of the wefts. And it's a tedious job, but I'm no pro. I'm still learning as well, but I'm just coming up here to show you guys what I'm doing and how I like to do it. I might want to come out with a little bit of more videos soon enough, maybe a little bit more detailed, a little more showing, I guess, or maybe more of a tutorial. So right here is when I had to bring the track back through it because there were spots that were missing thread. So I like to go back over it just to make sure that I get them all, because when I actually go to sew it onto the cap, I want to make sure that not only is the track being distributed on the cap, but that the other track that's below the track is being distributed on there as well. So I just got finished cutting that thread off the track, realized that this part of the track I missed. Excuse me. So what I'm doing now is just going back through it, and being as though that it's the end, it's a little hard because I haven't mastered this part of it yet, for me to get all the way at the end, because I'm so used to controlling the track from the other side. So there's something on the sewing machine that's called back stitching. So that's what I'm doing now. If you can see, I'm actually pulling the track towards me. It's easier for me to do it that way because I get to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm blind as a bat, so it's easier for me to do it that way. And again, I'm just stitching it the same way that I stitched the last one. So guys, there it is. Just a quick glimpse of what the tracks look like when they're being stitched together, and what a great job I have done. But I want to thank you for watching. I want you to like, share, and subscribe, and come and visit me on my YouTube channel at Lola Bunnz. Thank you very much for watching.